Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. Today is 26th. This is 26th of May. So I'd like us to start analysis with the chart on my screen. This is EURUSD. Just a second. My screen is frozen. Let me reset it first of all before we can start. So we're going to start with the GBPUSD instead. You remember what I mentioned on this chart, that we were looking for buy position. We had a very good resistance level there. We had a resistance, we had a resistance, we had a resistance. Earlier today the price broke above that resistance level. So if you remember what I said yesterday, I said that if the price could break beyond this line, then that would mean that we are now continuing in that direction. Therefore buy positions looks more ideal. So if the price can sustain itself above this line here, this is 1.25808, then this is going to be a good place to look for a buy from. You can still buy it there, or you may wait and buy it when the price gets to this point, or you may wait and buy it when the price gets to this level here. This is 1.24833. So you can buy it there, or wait and buy it there, or wait and buy it when the price gets to this point here. Those are the only three levels we want to buy from. If the price breaks any of these levels to the lower side, then we're going to look for a position, for a sell position up to the next level. So other than that, we have a support here. This is like a good trend line. It was like this yesterday. So you can see we had a support here in the past. The price went up, it came down as a support here. It continued up, came down as a support. Then there was this breakout. The price came back again and broke above it. So if you are here when this was happening, you could have taken a buy. We look at this as a false breakout. The move we had to the lower side is a false breakout. You could have taken a buy somewhere here, expecting that buy to push us even upwards. So that's my opinion. We are still biased on this chart, therefore only buy positions looks ideal. The next chart we have is gold. So on gold, so far we do have several levels. The first level I'm looking at is this one. So this was good for somebody who was trading breakouts. We had a support here, we had a support there, we had a support, we had a support. There was this breakout here. Then the price went down, came back as a resistance here. It continued down, then it came back as a resistance. So this was a good place to look for a sell from. We also have a level here. This was also a good place for somebody who's trading breakouts. We had a support there, we had a support, we had a support, there is a break below, we had a resistance, and we have a resistance there. So as it is right now, we are looking forward for sell positions. We are expecting the sellers to push price downwards, at least up to this point here. If the price can break below that level, then our next target is this one here. So we are going to look for sell positions. We also have an arrow here based on the indicator we have on the lower side, which indicates that this could be a very good place to look for a sell from. We are expecting sellers to push price down at least up to this level here. So this is a very good level here to look for a sell position from, up to this point here. The next chart is this one. We're going to look at EURUSD. EURUSD, we have a sell. We have a sell here. This is also a good setup for people trading breakouts. So we take this, then this was a breakout. The price came back, or nearly touched it yesterday, could not touch it. So if the price can come back again and touch these two lines, then that is going to be a good place to look for a sell from. We are going to look for a sell from there. The price comes to this point, we're going to look for a sell position up to this point. If the price breaks below it, then the next level is this one here. So other than that, we also have a level here. Those are some of the few areas which looks really good. They were useful in the past. We had a support here, we had a support there, had a support there. There's a breakout, we had a resistance, we had a resistance. So these ones here were the best places to look for a trade from. So we could have taken a sell there, and a sell there. The next chart which I want us to look at is the SP500. So with the SP500 so far, we were not expecting that sell to extend as it did here. You remember we were actually looking for a buy from around this line here. So we had a very good support here, here, here. There was a breakout which took out our buy position. So if the price can come back and extend above that level, then we want to see a retracement before the price can continue upwards, at least up to this point there, and then the next target is this one. So expect a continuation to the upper side, at least up to this level here. So the next chart I want us to look at is the US dollar Japanese yen. This chart here, we took a sell yesterday. I'm going to explain why we took that sell. So we took this sell because we had a very good support here. We had a 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 support there. We had a support there. Then the price broke below that level. It came back up, touched these two lines. So this was the best place to look for a sell from. We are expecting the sellers to push price down, at least up to this level here. So if you're on this chart as we're speaking now, you're supposed to be looking for sell positions, expecting the sellers to continue to push price down, at least up to this point here. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. So thank you and see you.